Delicious females, muscle cars, and hot rods coming up. Tantalizing beauty here in 1922 Ford Model T Hearst hot rod. Cute girl here in 1932 Chevy hot rod coupe. Please pause this video now and get a pen and paper ready to write down important information at the end of this video. Bikini chick here in 1942 Willys hot rod coupe. Beautiful damsel here in 1952 Buick Custom Riviera. Sassy Dame here in 1962 Pro Street Corvette. Wowzer. Teaser Fox here in a 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. Therefore, I am now accepting $1 cash donations or more if you're comfortable with it. Please, no checks. Please send your donation to the address listed. Thank you for your support.